Potholes, cracks, and uneven levels in walkways can lead to uncomfortable and sometimes dangerous treks. Make these worries a thing of the past with State Industrial Products Concrete Companion. Other grounds care products take too much time and effort to mix, apply, and let set. Concrete Companion's ready-to-use formula can easily be poured directly into concrete gaps, while self-leveling technology produces a flush, even fill every time. Through extensive downpours and severe heat, Concrete Companion's unique flexibility expands and contracts with temperature fluctuations so it never hardens and never cracks. Concrete Companion's color-changing formula seamlessly blends with the original concrete and virtually makes fractures disappear. All of this and more allows you to maintain a professional look to the exterior of your facility while keeping the safety of guests and staff in mind. State's Concrete Companion, another quality grounds care product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.